Hi Barbie dolls, I'm just a Barbie. Today is the first episode of my new project. I'm gonna reroot Barbie's hair, yay! And this video is gonna be the very first episode, so I'm only showing you the first process, how to remove Barbie's head. It's very first process. Right now, I'm thinking to reroot one Barbie for my friend. So my reroot video is gonna be totally different from other doll collectors video because I'm super beginner. I have no idea if I deserve to make this tutorial video because I'm a super beginner. The first episode is about removing Barbie head, but I'm so bad at doing it. I have broken Barbie's neck area like 3 times before. And you know, when you watch other people's tutorial videos, they do so easy. I'm like, how? Even after soaking into hot water pretty long or warming up with blow dryers, it doesn't matter. You know, my reroot video is gonna be super friendly, beginners friendly video. I really appreciate if you didn't judge my poor skill because I'm telling you, I'm super beginner. It's not really lesson video. Yeah, I'm not a teacher. I'm like learning with you guys. You know what I'm saying? So my best friend Saya, she has black hair and she's Japanese. She lives in Tokyo. She's not Barbie collector, but her birthday is almost coming and I thought she might wanna have Barbie doll. She needs her mini-me. Like I started thinking like that. So first of all, I started looking for the perfect face mold for her. Yeah, my face is really round-ish face, but she has more oval shape. So I was trying to find the best face mold for her, but you know, it's so hard because I have no skill for repaint Barbie's face. So not just face mold, but I also needed to find a perfect face for her. And she's also Japanese, so of course she has Asian feature. I had like 3 different options. At the end, I finally ended up with this girl. You know her, right? Yeah, she is from Fashionistas from a couple years ago, I think. She kind of has more a little square-ish face, but Saya doesn't. But still, I really think her eyes and nose could look like her. Yeah. So that's why I want to start from this girl. I know she has really pretty hair color, but Saya has black hair, so that's why I have to reroot into black hair. I want to make perfect birthday present for Saya. Let's start from removing her head first because I have to work on her hair. There's a couple different methods to remove Barbie's head off. Maybe you've seen some people are soaking in hot water. I've done it too, yeah. You know, I did rerooting once when I did on her, but it's been over 3 years and literally I really forgot how I did it. So removing her head off, I will try to use the blow dryer. Okay, let me try. Okay, let's try. And be careful, do not melt or burn any of plastic part or yourself. And if it was too hard to pull, you should warm up a little more. Yep, now it's coming out. Yeah, I always break this part. Yeah, I have broken this part a couple times. Phew. Yeah, I'm so bad at this part. Oh my god, look at her hair. I told you I'm super beginner. You know, I don't know how people do this easily. I always have hard time with removing hair. Now I did it. So, my gosh, it took longer than I expected. I almost thought I was gonna break Barbie's head. Seriously, her head. Her hair already looks mess. Like I was pulling really hard. Oh my god, sorry Barbie. But you're gonna be really, really pretty. I promise you. So I will show you how to remove old Barbie's hair in next episode. Please come back watching. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.